Here we are, Boxing Day, and I've just discovered that Jordan and Brad have
wedding rings
because they have recently
married.
Congratulations, guys! And where are you going? Where are you going for your honeymoon?
Oh, I think we're going to go to Mexico or China. Yeah, China. Anyone. Yeah, anyone. Maybe both times.
Are you inviting anybody?
We might invite our friends, like Patty and Trent and Lake and Gage. And maybe even you. And my mom.
Okay, cool. What about Libby? Could she be like a flower dog?
Well, I don't know if she would do that, but she would blow it all around. I don't know. We might get a cat to do it. See this cat right here? Let's pick her up.
So we're having a little sleepover, are we?
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited. So in the morning, we'll be playing all day.
Oh, bullet.
I'm glad you guys get along.
Yeah.
Oh, squish.
Don't hurt your wife.
Here's Kitty Kitty. Yep, you gotta treat your wife with lots of respect.
No, I don't.